Alright, y'all, what's up today? It's your boy K. Alright, y'all, what's up today? It's your boy KDogDaRicch, and welcome back to KDogDaRicch Gaming. And then this is what I call it. This is what I call my Mondays. It's called Schooly Monday. That's the first day. That's the first day of school. That's the first day of school. So, Chloe Monday. Everybody know what Sunday. See, Sunday is first, and then Monday is gonna be tomorrow. So everybody know that. So y'all, yeah, everybody know that. So that's what I mean. And y'all, I'm just calling it that because anytime you come at school, you do your homework. Hurry up, but not rush. I'm just talking about hurry up, cause I really don't want this to happen. Some games on Google only because I really think I want to make that month up. So y'all, let's get started with the game today. Let's see what we're gonna play today. Let's play Subway Surfers, cause I love this game. I think I might be playing this like since I was 26. So I guess we could play it right now. Alright, y'all, we got Subway Surfers ready, and we finna launch in right now.
Right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and how you do it is.
How you doing this?
And subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe. That's an S.
Where you?
Subscribe.
Yeah, y'all. Where you? When I was born, y'all. Did y'all know when I was born? Oh, I didn't want to tell you this. Alright, y'all. I was born in May in 2013. Yo, let's turn off the music. And this is showing us a tutorial how to play. So I think this. Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot there's an ads. Didn't know there's ads. Skip ads, bro. I ain't trying to go into ads. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, y'all. Let's just get back to the playing the game. Press. Ouch, that hurt a lot. And fresh moves.
I know.
No, I'm gonna use the key, y'all. I'm gonna use the key only. You rock. Now go. Alright. Alright, y'all. We almost there. At least I gotta pull up the volume so that way so I can get even better. There you go. I didn't know we can just press. Alright, y'all. Let's keep on going. Y'all, if y'all want to see more videos, just subscribe, like, and hit that bell. That was so close. Oh, jeez. Oh, so close. Phew, this is so good. It's so good. Let's go, bro. Oh snap! This I hate. But it's another ad. I Alright, y'all. Let's try again. I guess because I really don't know why this game keep on glitching. So let's go to Subway Surfers. Like I said, Subway Surfers.
Down. The train. The train.
See, let's play Pokey.
Cute. My baby is so cute.
Alright, y'all. Now let's do this on full screen, and then we're gonna get this started. Alright, y'all. We finally in like we finally in full screen, right? I forgot the music, bro. I forgot to turn off the music. Oh, we can also put our nicknames on this. Okay. That's gonna be called KDogDaRicch. KDogDaRicch.
Jeez, this is a crazy house.
Dog game. I think that could be my I think that could be my account, by the way. Wait, we can't get no music on. Alright, y'all. Looks like we're gonna have to do it with no sound. Alright, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna just get back to home so that I can go to me. Oh, it's just only sound, so that means no music and no sounds. That's a really bad deal for technology, I guess.
Tico. Tico boy.
This game's so fun. I love this game. And I love this game. Cause I just played this since I was wearing 6. Well, good thing I'm born in 2013. Cause if it would be 10. But welcome back. Yo, this is episode 4. We want to get back to episode.
Jump in the bed. Sit down.
Wait,
Okay, sit down.
why does Subway Surfers has the game word? That's so dumb.
This one.
Alright, y'all. Well, now it's quiet. So this is what I really don't like about the music. It's just, oh my god. Oh yeah, I only got one. I only got one more.
Down.
Yeah, I didn't know we got ads because I hate ads. It's like the baddest. It's like the baddest game in the world. It's even harder and harder and harder. That's the best part. I hate spending keys too, so I should have even spent my keys on this part. I mean, on this game. Because if I did not spend all my keys, I would just get every kind of character by now. Oh no, I forgot this stupid power up. It's not gonna work first of all too. Oh, see, it's not gonna work. Oh my god, I just said I hate doing this, bro. It's like looks like let's go. Looks like y'all comment down below if I'm finna win or not, cause I don't know. Oh my god, we got K. That stands for my name, KDogDaRicch and Kaden. That's Kaden is my real name, but KDog is my nickname. That's what y'all mean. That's what I mean, y'all. Alright, y'all. That's so dumb. Oh no! I don't got no shoes, bro. I hate this part. Yeah, I'm getting so close to dying. Let's get cleaning. Uh-oh. 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 Oh! Jeez, and I only got two more. I guess we're gonna have to do the ads, y'all. Cause I really hate ads, but I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, y'all, we back on uh, no. Oh no! We got two. That's the last one, bro. I'm gonna have to keep on doing ads, bro. I hate ads. Why I have to just do die, bro? Do I have to do or die? Such a dumb head game. Such a hard head game. I'm such a hard head. No, I'm not a hard head. Uh-oh. 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 Bro, this dumb game and I ran out of ads, bro. I can't use no ads. Yo, if I had that hoverboard, I just wish for luck for me. Oh, oh my god, look how many coins I got now. Oh my god, what the heck? Yo, my fit double up. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Yo, let's do a new. Wait, what's this? What's these keys for? Yo, let's go. I'm not gonna spend my keys too. I only want to use my ads. I'm gonna get one ad, so I get it too. Oh no, we only get two outfit. Wait, we get. What the heck, bro? That's so cheap. But why doesn't it have no glasses? This game is so dumb. That's it. Okay. Okay. Well, look how many coins I got first of all. Okay, I'm gonna get this to work. Okay, let's hurry up and get the heck out of here. I want to use this girl. Matter of fact, wait. Her name is Chicky, huh? Yeah, her name is Chicky. Come on, go even faster. No, bro, I died by accident. Wait, can we get the whole parts? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect. No, I only got 7. Oh man, bro, this is gonna be so hard. Ooh, that's so close. Ooh, that's so close. Ooh, oh my God! Yeah, bro. My friend was right, y'all. These shoes are so bad, y'all. Comment down below what's your favorite part, cause I don't know what's gonna be happening with me. Cause if I die, I swear to God, this game is not gonna be available on Schooly Mondays. Oh my god, I hate this, bro. Oh, here comes a train. Good thing I got good luck. Jeez, I was so close. If I was there, I would just flip and get mad, ah, like for real, bro. And I would just put my microphone like this. Oh god, bro. That's how I do it. That's how I did it with my. Oh god, bro. Um, um. Stop playing with the microphone. Stop playing with the microphone. Stop playing with the microphone. Oh my god! I forgot one more thing, bro. I forgot to tell you today's sponsor, y'all. I forgot to tell you. Wait, no, I can't think of no sponsors today because I forgot this Schooly. I can forgot this Schooly Monday. That means no sponsors. No sponsors. No, just no sponsors. Only just playing the game because I'm pretty sure that sponsors been in too many videos and I just already know them.
create skull mask and performs its move. The biggest benefit of being on Facebook as an artist is instantly being able to reach your audience. Being able to have fans who support you really, really helps with my motivation and also my mental health. So I would say connecting on Facebook is limitless.
Skip the ad. Is this game? Let's just get by itself. Alright, y'all. How many games can we play? Y'all, let me pause the video real quick. I'm gonna just put on the timer real quick. So let me just go out of the screen. I'm gonna go out this, and then I'm gonna just go right here. I'm finna go right here. Where can I go? What the heck? Oh yeah, it's right here. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put on my timer. So that way, anytime the timer goes on, y'all let me know, right? Okay, I'm gonna go to C. That means the clock. If and I really hope the clock is here. If the clock is here, that means it's good for me, cause 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 I need a lot of minutes so I can play this game. Cause I'm trying to make a video for y'all, and I'm just trying to be my fam. I'm just trying to get my fame started. Okay. 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 The hours. Wait, that's a. Oh yeah, there you go. This one. This one can be This one could be 10 hours. I mean 10 minutes. Cause save. There you go. And I'm gonna get this shit timing right here. Okay. No, I ain't gonna do this. I'm actually not gonna do this. Cause cause I really don't like those timers. I'm gonna just get the time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get back here and then start playing. And hopefully this pause right here and go get me stopped. Alright, y'all, I ain't hiding from y'all. Ain't hiding from y'all. Alright, y'all. Without no sponsors, oh yeah, instead of sponsors, I will just put the link in the description below for this game called Pokey. For this for the app called Pokey, cause it has a whole lot of apps that you want to play, like probably like Minecraft too. I just climbed up to the to the train again. What the heck? This one is going so fast, it's so crazy. The heck? Oh my god, I don't want to die today. Ooh, ooh, yo,
They gonna throw everything on their That's gonna create a bigger monster. That's why they grow up from the NFL beating bitches at because they feel like what they gonna do? Somebody gonna protect me. Look at Ray Rice. Like, legend. He just spin around with his blanket. Legend, stop.
oh my
Now,
god,
you hurt yourself.
yo, let's use the ad only, cause I don't want to spend all my time with all this. Okay, y'all, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, focus. I can't look at the camera right now. God, I don't know. I'm just looking at the camera, y'all, so y'all can make sure y'all see me, and I just like to see myself play. So, so it's just really like a good time. Really like a good time today. Mm. Y'all, react to the comments from my short, cause I already think someone got a crush on me on my comments, bro. I don't know whoever gave crush on me, but but big girls always get me in trouble, bro. So anytime I'm with young girls, I'm never gonna talk to them again. I swear, cause they got me in trouble. Don't know why. No, you know big girls what's up with with little boys. Oh my god, bro! This game is so crazy on Pokey, cause look, it just keep on going fast, and and I'm starting to glitch, bro. What the heck? This is so dumb. Alright, y'all, let's do 3 more games and then that's it for the video today. And then after that, we can finally do some sponsors. So I only do Schooly Monday, not Schooly Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday. But I'm not saying it's because there's no school. I'm just saying that because Monday is the first day of school after Sunday. So makes sense. Guess. Oh my god, this stupid train. Uh, 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 dumb game. No. No. I, oh my god, I ran out of, I ran out of, um, I ran out of keys, bro. Look at my high score. Okay, let's do one more game. Instead, we do the. So let's do the 3 games, and then that's it for the video
I
today.
am Butch Lobson. I'm a Los Angeles-based artist who creates skull masks and performs at Smoke. The biggest benefit of being on Facebook as an artist is instantly being able to reach your audience. Being able to have fans who support you really, really helps with my motivation and also my mental health. So I would say connecting on Facebook is limitless.
Alright, y'all, for to get back into this game, and I died. Okay, y'all, forget about the key, cause I only got one key. Alright, y'all. So this is the last game. Wait, no, I see. Wait, so that was my first game, right? Or so we completed. What the heck? Oh, MG. Okay, one more, y'all, and that's it. Cause I'm starting to lose my appetite now. Alright, y'all. Good thing we got keys, so we can make it. So we can do another chance. Hmm? Oh, yeah, I gotta go to bed. I gotta go to bed. Alright. Alright. Alright, y'all. That comes you. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Now. Alright. Alright, y'all. Whoa, we got 14 keys, and I'm trying to get 30. So, I'm gonna just not spend my keys soon. So, I'm trying to get 30. I'm trying to get 30, 30, 30. I'm trying to get 30 keys. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I forgot the hug. Okay, this how I make a S, y'all. y'all. Alright, y'all. Now we can get back. Wait. Oh, yeah, this is 0 keys. This is good. Oh, we only got 90 keys for this star board. And go press the play. Alright, you guys. Huh? What? Share? Yeah, yeah. Alright, y'all. I got the shoes, and I'm all the way to the top. This game is so awesome on Pokey, but I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to jump, and then one time I just jumped, I was just bumped into um the flipping train, and it just got me up, made me trying to lose. Pokey is probably the best game, but on the jumps, it's driving me crazy. So, and it's too dirty. And this game is too dirty on the screen, so it's too dirty. Alright, y'all. One last game, and then this is it for episode number 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't die, please. I want to continue playing this game because this game it's lovely and nice and cutting and stunning and all the other things I said in that and other things, y'all. It takes skill to be a good agent. Alright, y'all, we got that other mission, bro. I'm the mission master, I guess, because I'm the best at these games. And I started with this game, anyways, because it's just telling me the tutorial. I already know how to play this game. I don't need no tutorial. Oh, so I was just almost there. Oh, I was almost close. I was almost close. I was almost flipping close. Why are they trying to put the jumping part in the train, bro? This game is so dumb, bro. It's trying to make me trying to die. Oh no! Now we got 23. Okay, y'all. That's just all the. Okay, y'all. 80 coins. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We got another one. We got unwrap your luck. Yo, this is the best, bro. Now I can get 30 keys, bro. Look at all. Now I can get this. Yo, I got 32. I got 32 coins. Oh yeah, I got 35 coins now. Oh, now guess what I can do with my character now? I'm gonna be a star. But, alright, y'all. So now we all get the dark hat. So now we can get this. Just so bro, now we get another one. Let's go. On to office. Whoa, we got 11 coins now. Alright, you guys. That's it for the video today. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, like, and hit that bell sandwich that will help me out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, y'all. Have a nice day. Bye.